combinations. But out of that, I think what we want you to do today is to reveal to you what those blankets are and what they look like, and then for you to make a selection of which is going to be your top two colorways that you want, that we're going to then commercialize and then sell into the marketplace. So those blankets will be branded as the Sophie Mshlangu blanket, and on the sale of those blankets you will be earning a royalty after a period which will be payable back to you. So I think it is an historical occasion today, in as far as this is the first time that you're going to be seeing your work of art, how it is being interpreted into the blanket design. That blanket design, obviously it's not a printed design, so we have to adapt the design within the limitations of our technology, of the jacquard weaving technology. So this is what we're going to be showing you today, and we will ask